giving away these Pride Apple Watch bands to one lucky winner. I mean, only one of them, because I want to keep one or the other. There's 3 simple steps to enter the giveaway. 1, go follow me on Instagram. 2, comment down below your Instagram handle with the color that you would actually want. And 3, you know the drill. Be happy because life is amazing. Let's get started. 1 and 2. Alright, so here's both of them. Here's the Apple version, and here is the Apple plus Nike version. This is actually the first time that Apple has actually ever collaborated with Nike to do a Pride Apple Watch band. I've actually picked up all the Pride Apple Watch bands. Here is actually the 2018 Apple Watch band, and here is actually the 2019 Apple Watch band. This is actually the Sport Loop. I love this one, but definitely my favorite so far is the Am I right? No, this is the 2018 Apple Watch band. So right now I'm in between this guy and this one to be my favorite. So let's go ahead and actually unbox it. Let's go ahead and actually try it on. Which one should we unbox first? Let's do this one. We got some instructions to know how to remove your current Apple Watch band and how to apply the new one. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. We got the large and the small. I'm currently the small. I think now it's time to unbox the Nike version. This is such a cool box. In the back, we actually get Apple and Nike are proud to financially support the LGBTQ advocacy organizations working to bring about positive change. This box is absolutely awesome. So first of all, I'm not gay, first of all. But second of all, you don't have to be gay, you don't have to be homosexual, you don't have to be lesbian, you don't have to be whatever the heck you want to actually support Pride. For me, Pride is not just about that. For me, Pride is so much more. For me, Pride is supporting those people. I've got friends who are gay, for example, and they are so afraid to tell their parents. They're afraid to tell their families. And that is because society has made it that way. So getting these bands is just a matter of supporting to make the LGBTQ community so much more powerful. Anyways, here is the actual Nike Apple Watch band. Holy moly. This is a sexy band. This looks so incredibly good. This might be my new favorite Apple Watch band. Holy, I need this. I want this. I mean, I need this. I already have it. So anyways. Alright, so before I give you a closer look on the new Pride Apple Watch bands, I just wanted to tell you about Pillow, today's sponsor. Pillow is an all-in-one sleep tracking solution to help you be more aware of your sleep patterns and discover what might be affecting your sleep quality. If you have an Apple Watch, tracking your sleep is as easy as simply wearing your Apple Watch during sleep, and Pillow will track and analyze your sleep automatically. Pillow can optionally record sounds you make during sleep, from sleep talking to sleep apnea and snoring or unexpected noises that might be affecting your sleep. A lot of users have really been surprised from these results, including me. I mean, once again, I told you guys this before, but I turned this feature on and I snore like a lot. Pillow is available on the App Store for the iPhone, Apple Watch, and iPad, and you can download it with the link down in the description. If you guys want to sleep track, sleep tracking is here for the Apple Watch. So many people are asking me, when is Apple going to release sleep tracking for the Apple Watch? It's already here with Pillow. Once again, hit the link down in the description. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Apple Watch bands and let's try them on. Alright guys, so here is a closer look on the new 2020 Pride Apple Watch band. As you guys can see a closer up, it actually says Pride 2020 and the actual size of the actual band. The lines are actually not straight. It's something that definitely surprised me. It feels like, it's somebody that actually painted them on perfectly. It's not that I don't like it. It's just something that definitely surprised me. It looks good. Comment down below if you guys like this one better or the Nike Apple Watch band. But anyways, and here is the Nike version of the Pride 2020 Apple Watch band. As you guys can see over here, it says Apple Watch and Nike because it's their collaboration. We get this gray color over here, which looks great. I love how subtle this band is. It's got all the rainbow Pride colors, but it's such a subtle band. I love it. And as well, we get over here the Pride 2020 and the size. Fun fact, the 2018 Pride Apple Watch band, as you guys can see, it actually said Pride 2018, but it actually did not say the size. So I wonder why Apple actually put the size over here. But anyways, says it over here. Oh, never mind. It actually says it over here. 42 million. It was just covered. So here's how the actual band looks on the actual watch. It looks great. And by the way, if you actually update the Apple Watch to the latest firmware, the new Pride Digital and the Pride Analog watch face, if you actually press customize, you will see, the year. If you actually flick, there will be now a 2020 version, which will match the new colors of the actual Apple Watch band, especially this one. We'll try it out in just a second. And also the Pride Analog, there will also be a new 2020 colors as well. If you actually flick with your digital ground, you'll get this weird color effect, which, is pretty cool. I love how Apple mixes hardware with software. I mean, look at this watch face. It feels like it's actually part of the actual band, which is awesome. And also the thing that I was actually telling you about, the on perfect lines, if you actually, twist the digital crown, you'll get the same effect as the actual band, which is just awesome, awesome detail that Apple is actually taking care of. So good stuff. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my unboxing and my first impressions with the 2020 Pride Apple Watch bands. Don't forget to actually join the giveaway. Links are in the description, the day it ends, everything. Don't forget to be happy because life is good. Peace.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.